Hi everyone, welcome to the SMT TV channel. Okay, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell on the right side to get a notification as and when I have the latest video. Show me some love, please like, subscribe and click the bell video. See you inside the channel.
Hi everyone, today I want to cover indicators. What are the indicators I use and what are the different types of indicators. Okay, so in the indicators there are three main types of indicators. The first type is what we call the trend following indicators. This helps us to understand the trend, okay, whether the trend is going from low trend to high trend or from low tide to high tide. We help you to understand the type, okay, the big picture. Example of indicators like trend following will be like moving average, Bollinger Band. These are example of trend following indicators. Second one is oscillators. Oscillators help us to understand the wave. Okay, example of oscillators are like CCI, stochastic, RSI, momentum. All these are oscillators. They help us to understand what is the wave. Okay, the short term, whether the market is overbought or oversold using the wave. And the last one is the miscellaneous. Miscellaneous are the breadth indicators. This help us to look at the whole stock market, the whole stock market, how many stocks are making new high, how many stocks are making new low. Look at all this to understand the breadth of the market. Okay, so these are some of the common types of indicators. The indicators that I use is a moving average for trend following. I use the 2040 moving average to understand or to learn what is the type right now in the market. I use oscillators, I use CCI to understand what is the wave or what is the short-term overbought oversold in the market right now. Okay, so these are the two indicators that I use when I'm doing my own analysis. See you at the next video. So if you don't want to miss another one of our trading video, remember to ring that bell.